Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Hospitality with me, Sagar Mohite. Today we have an important topic for all the researchers out there. We'll be discussing how to search for Scopus journal indexing and explore the different type of Scopus journal. Additionally, I'll guide you on how to protect yourself from predatory journal that can hinder your academic career. But before, let's understand what is Scopus and its key feature. So let's dive in. So here on our screen we have Scopus. So how can we search journals in Scopus database? So Scopus is a comprehensive abstract and citation database of peer-reviewed literature, scientific journal, conference proceeding and patents. It is widely used by researchers, academics and professionals to track and analyze academic research, scholarly publications. Scopus is a product of Elsevier, a leading publishers of scientific and technical content. Now, Scopus is a wide range of discipline including natural sciences, social sciences, health sciences, engineering and humanity. It includes content from 5,000 publishers offering access to millions of scientific papers, abstract and conference proceeding. As we can see it on the picture that it has around 7,000+ publications, 17.5 million open access users are available and 1.8 billion citations are available on this, plus 84+ millions of records and 94.8+ thousands affiliated profiles are available on this. So let's understand some of the key features of the Scopus. Scope and coverage. Scopus covers a wide range of disciplines including natural sciences, social sciences, health sciences, engineering and humanities. It includes content from 5,000 publishers offering access to millions of specific and scientific papers, abstract and conference proceeding. Second, content type. Journals. Scopus index thousands of peer-reviewed journals from around the world. Conference proceeding and patents. It includes conference papers which can be valuable for tracking the latest research presented at academic conferences. Conference proceeding. It also includes conference paper which can be valuable for tracking the latest research presented at academic conferences. Patents. Scopus provides access to vast collection of patents, enabling user to explore innovations and technological advances. Abstract and citation. Scopus not only provide abstract of research article but also tracks citation, making it a valuable tool for assessing the impact and influence of scholarly work. Citations helps researchers identify influential papers and track how their own work being cited by others. Next, search and analysis. User can perform advanced searches using keyword, authors, appellations and other criteria to find relevant research. Scopus also offers various analytical tools to help researchers identify trends, patterns and collaboration in scientific literature. Authors profile and metrics. Authors can create profile in Scopus to showcase their publication, citation, H-index. These authors can help researchers build academic reputations and connect with others in their field. Integration with ORCID. Scopus integrates with ORCID, that is Open Researcher and Contribution ID, allowing researchers to link their Scopus profile with their ORCID ID to ensure proper attribution and recognition. Institutional access and metrics. Many universities and research institutions have access to Scopus, allowing their researchers and faculty to benefit from its feature and content. Scopus provides institutional metrics that enables university to access their research output and impact on global scale. API and data integration. API and data integration. Scopus offers API application programming interfaces that allowed developers to integrate the Scopus data into other applications and platform for customized analysis and visualization. Now let's look at the benefit of Scopus. Now, Scopus helps us find relevant research. Scopus can help you find relevant research quickly and easily. The search engine is very powerful and can be used by searching just keyword, authors, journal name and other criteria. Evaluate research. Scopus offers a variety of analytics tools that can be used to evaluate research. These tools include citation analysis, impact metrics and author's profile. Stay up to date. Scopus is constantly updated with new content. This means that you can be sure that you are always up to date on the latest research in your field. Collaboration. Scopus can help you collaborate with other researchers. You can use the platform to find collaborators, share research and of course discuss ideas. If you are a researcher, librarian and or other information professional, I encourage you to explore Scopus. It is a valuable resource that can help you find, evaluate and stay up to date on the research scale. Scopus quadrant system. It's also called as quartile. So we can have 4 quartiles or quadrants: Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. So Q1 is top 10% journals are ranked in this field. Q2 is around 10 to 25% of journals are ranked in this field. Q3, 25 to 50% of journals ranked in this field. Q4, 50 to 75% of journals ranked in this field. The journal in each quadrants are ranked according to their impact factor, which is a measure of how often these articles are cited by other researchers. The impact factor is calculated by dividing the number of citations perceived by a journal in past 2 years by the number of articles published in the journal in the same 2 years. In addition to 4 quadrants, Scopus also uses a number of other metrics to assess the quality of journals, including source, impact factor, citation, agent factor, article influence, cited half-half and journal indexing. Now the impact factor. The impact factor is a measure of average number of citations received by a journal articles in the past 2 years. Source, normalized impact per paper, that is SNIP. SNIP is a measure of average citation impact of a journal article normalized by a number of citations received by other journals in the same field. Citation per paper. It is also called as a site score. Site score is a measure of average number of citations received by a journal article in the past 3 years. Agent factor score or agent factor is a measure of importance of journal article in the global research community. Article influence. The article influence is a measure of the impact of an individual article. Cite half-half or cited half-half is the average time it takes for half of the citation to an article to be received. Journal citation indicator, that is also called as a JCI, is a measure of overall impact of journal. Now these metrics can be used to compare the quality of different journals and to identify the journals that are publishing high quality research papers. Before we get into the types of Scopus journal, let's learn how to search Scopus indexing. Scopus is a renowned abstract and citation database that helps researchers find credible and high quality scholarly journal. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, we can directly log in on Scopus site, or simply we can search it on Google, search journal on Scopus, for which we require to register for a free account. If you already have, you can log in through that. If you don't, you may create it with the college or university official ID. If you have ORCID ID, or ORCID ID, you can log in through that as well. So by clicking on the first link, it will take us to the next window. Once you are signed in, you will be taken to the Scopus search page. Here you can start searching for journal, article, authors and more. Now let me brief you on the landing page of Scopus. What we have here, we have author search, sources. Sources is this, a drop down menu which comprises of search area, title, publisher, ISSN number. Here you can search your journal by these 4 heads. Along with that, here we have an institutional login. Now if you look at on the left hand side, here we have the quartile or quadrants. First quartile, second quartile, third quartile, fourth quartile, journal type, source type, journal, book series, conference proceeding or trade publications. Now let's search for the journal. Now I have one of the paper which is published in one of the Scopus index journal. So let's search it through first method, that is searching through ISSN number. Sometimes Scopus website does act funny, as irrespective of putting the right details, it does not show you anything. So simply refresh the page and do the process all over again. It will give you the right result. We have seen just a moment back, with the same number it was not featuring. I did it again. So now we got our journal here, European Chemical Bulletin, which is an open access journal. Now on this journal page you will find the relevant information, including its indexing status. If the journal is still indexed in the Scopus, it means that it meets the stringent quality criteria. Now here we have the coverage year, that is from 2017 onward till today, publisher name, EISSN number, subject area, and along with that you may have SNP, SNIP, then SJR, site score of 2022, so here also we can see Scopus content coverage, site score, rank. So Scopus open access journal are freely accessible to readers without any subscription or paywall. They cover a wide range of subject and can be beneficial for increasing the visibility of research. Scopus discontinued journals were once indexed but have been removed due to various reasons, such as lack of regular publications or quality concern. Now predatory journals can also be deceptive and pose a serious threat to researcher. So let's discuss on how you can protect yourself from falling into the trap. First thing is that you do your research. Always thoroughly research a journal before submitting your work. Check the journal's website, editorial board, publication history. Reputable journals will clearly have editorial policies and peer-reviewed process. Be wary of unconsolidated emails. Be cautious about emails from unknown journals inviting you to submit your work. Predatory journals often use spam emails to solicit submissions. Many times you must have received mails on your Gmail ID stating that submit your paper and get it published within 15 days or 30 days in Scopus indexed or UGCK journals, but please don't fall for that. The real authentic journal don't send mails like that. Check for indexing and impact factor. Verify if the journal is indexed in reputable database like Scopus, Web of Science. Additionally, check if its impact factor to gauge its influence in the academic community. And most important one is seek advice from your colleague and mentor. Consult with your experienced colleague. You might have senior faculties who have already published papers in such journals. Make them as your mentor. They can always provide valuable insight and help you make informed decisions. And there you have it. We have learned how to search for Scopus Index journals, explore different types of Scopus journal, and discuss essential tips on protecting yourself from predatory journals. Always remember that publishing your research in reputable journals is crucial for your academic and professional growth, as we all require that for API, promotion, and increment as well. Stay informed, stay vigilant, keep contributing to the world of knowledge. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Hospitality with me, Sagar Mohite. And if you have any other topic in your mind on which you want me to make a video, please write that in the comment. I would be more than happy to make one. So thank you for watching, and until next time, happy researching. Thank you.